Rena bafethu ke tshwere akane umnati
Umnati blind godman ya ka wena.
ke mnati o tlile Orlando tlo shebella Pirates bafethu o e bone jwang game vandag
Yeah, ke bone mnati, great football display by Orlando Pirates by the way. Yeah, they got the full 3 goals and 3 points. But I have one message for Orlando Pirates. Catch us on Wednesday. There is a song that Rotlakana, more FNB. Trust me, someone is going to cry. And I know it's not me. Here is a teacher. Someone! Lambona kid. Oringwe.
Ipirates Aisha iyaboshisa Ipirates Aisha iyaboshisa uzobhosha ngomhla ka-18 ngizoboshisa wena uzobhosha imbazo wena usenkingeni nkosi yami
Manaka, can I tell you something? You said Cardoso should decide to resign when? You said today or on Wednesday? And I guess he's not going to resign. He's going to beat you. He's going to beat you.